Good morning, students. Well, as you know, we have already started this chapter number 3, business environment, and I have given you the brief introduction of this chapter. Business environment means the surrounding of the business, right, where the business is existing, and different forces works over there, like economic, social, political, technological and legal forces are there. All these forces, they just impact on the business, means surrounding. So that makes the business environment, right? So today we are going to discuss about the features, or you can say characteristics of the business environment. Characteristics means which elements are present in the business environment. Okay, now first one is all external forces. External forces means the forces which are working from outside, which is giving the effect outside of the business, right? One is internal and one is external. Internal means inside the business, like your employees are working, your subordinates are there, your superiors are there. So this business environment, especially, this is made of external forces, fine. And it's telling that business environment includes all forces, institutions and factors which are external to business and organization. So external forces, what are those? One we have discussed just before. These are the economical factors, legal factors, technological factors, right? So these all things are external forces, fine. Now we have the next one, specific and general forces. Well, we have the forces same as we have discussed. So we have given the different names, specific and general forces. So it's telling that business environment includes both specific and general forces, and specific forces affect business enterprises directly, okay, and immediately in their day-to-day working. It's telling specific forces means we can give the name to these forces, right? And within no time it is giving the effect, like your debtors are there, either they have paid the money right in time or no, okay. And your investors, your customers, if your customers, they have diverted to any other product, so immediately your sale has decreased, fine. So these all factors are your specific factor, okay. And some general factors are there which are affecting, general forces you can say, and these general forces have indirect impact on the business, like social, political, legal and technological factors, which we have discussed just before, right? And they have indirect effect on the business, fine. Now next we have interrelation. These all things are interrelated, related to each other. All the forces and factors of business environment, like your legal factor, technological factor, are interrelated to each other. For example, with inclination of youth towards Western culture, the demand for the fast food is increasing. Of course, when youth is inclined to the Western culture, and in Western culture, not only food, so many things are including, like your Western dresses, your Western culture, Western fashion, music, dance, and eating habits also, fine. So factor is one external factor has taken place, and that is inclination of the youth towards Western culture, and so many things have introduced in the market. So this has effect on many items of the market, right? So this is interrelated. If there is a one change, and it impacts on certain other points also. Now next point is your uncertainty. The things are not certain. It's really difficult to predict the changes of business environment. We never know what is going to happen in the political arena today, right? And what is going to happen in the legal matters. So the things are quite uncertain, as environment is changing very fast. For example, in IT fashion industry, frequent and fast changes are taking place. As we have told you, uncertainty are there. We never know what is going to happen, which government is going to decide tonight, right? And what legal changes are going to take place, what kind of fashions are going to be changed. So as the fashion changes, the whole industry changes, and the production takes place according to the latest fashion, and that has come in the market, okay. So that affects on the business environment. Next one is dynamic. Dynamic means it is like very fast, it is changing, right? It is just keeping pace with the changing environment. So business environment is highly flexible and keep changing. So many factors affect on the business, right? And not only one, it is multidimensional. Okay, so whenever the changes are there, business has to change itself according to those factors. So we can say it is highly dynamic, and it's not static or rigid. That is why it is essential to monitor and scan the business environment continuously. As we have discussed, so many factors are there. Legal aspect is there, economic factor is there, political factor is there, so we don't know what is going to happen in all these things. So screening is must. Screening means you are just keeping an eye on all these things. You are keep checking regularly what changes are going to take place, and you are just molding yourself accordingly. Okay, so this is dynamic. You are ready for the change as the things are continuously changing. Okay, now next one is your complex. It's not so simple as we are talking, so it's not simple. Okay, so it's very difficult to understand the impact of business environment on the companies. Although it's easy to scan the environment, but it's very difficult to know how these changes will influence business decisions. Sometimes change may be minor, but it might have large impact. For example, a change in government policy to increase the tax rate by 5% may affect the income of company by large amount. Well, if we think it's a meager amount, 5% change in the taxes, right? But it affects a lot on the profitability of the company, even on the people also. When this decision has been taken, the government is going to increase the taxes, so it affects on the profit of the company, and of course this affects on the customers also, because when the company increases the prices due to change or increased rate of taxes, customers, they have to bear that tax. Okay, ultimately the burden come on the customers, because producer, they increase the prices. Fine, so it's not so easy, this business environment. It's dynamic, of course, it's changing time by time, time to time it is changing, and as we are scanning the things also, but even after the scanning, it's not so easy. When we implement, then we have to see what kind of result producers and customers are going to bear. So it's very complex procedure, not so easy. Next and last one is relatively. Business environment differ from country to country, region to region, as political conditions, cultures are different in different country. It's very clear to us the rule regulations which we are following in India, that's not in another country, right? And the culture of India is totally different from another countries. Okay, so they have taken an example. There may be more demand for sari in India as compared to USA and United Kingdom. They have the different trend of fashion, right? Their attire is different, and in India, the culture and attire is totally different. So they are talking about the sari. There is a demand in India, but not in other countries. Same condition in the environment may have different effect on different enterprises. For example, when consumer organizations found pesticides in cold drink, they have taken one another example. If somebody find pesticides in the cold drink, so what happens? The production of the cold drink, they have to stop it because there is no demand in the market. That impact on the cold drink industry, side by it is it is beneficial some other industries, like people, they have stopped buying the cold drink and they have diverted to the juice industry, and you can say milk products and all that. Fine, so if we have a problem in one side, so that affects on that that area, and side by some competitive area also. If the demand decreases in this particular area where the problem has been found, but the demand of another area, like competitive area, you can say, that increases, right students? So here we have done all the features of the business environment. Features means specialties, okay, and these were all the external forces are working, specific and general forces are there, interrelations are there, uncertainty, it's dynamic, it's complex, and it is relativity, right? So please learn all the features properly, and very soon there will be a test of business studies students, and most probably I will be giving you chapter number 1, right? Tomorrow I'll give you in the writing. Thank you.